You did it. You took that leap. Right now, you may be terrified. You may be scared because you don't know what the heck you got yourself into. But I'm here to tell you that it's okay. It is a new journey. Anything that is new can be a little bit scary. I started as a complete beginner, exactly where you are now, except I didn't have as much guidance. I'm not somebody to leave somebody out in the open. I am honestly here for you, whatever you may need. That is exactly why I created this video, to help you on your journey as you go through day one of this 15-day challenge. I will be actually be sending you more emails with more tips, more step-by-step guidance. So be on the lookout for those in the future. For now, on day one, I'm pretty sure you probably read that email that I just sent you if you're able to watch this video. But be sure to follow these exact steps because they are going to be leading you to a successful plan. Whether it's leaving your 9 to 5, whether it's earning your first $100 online or your first $1,000 online, it's possible because I did it as a complete beginner. I've helped other entrepreneurs go down the same exact path, and they've had success. Don't mind my kids, you might hear them in the background, but it's awesome. I get to hear that all day long because I work from home now. With this exact opportunity that you are about to venture on, I was able to quit my job. I was going from paycheck to paycheck, wishing every single day that I could stay home with my kids. Instead, I was actually going to work from sunrise all the way to sunset, spending 1 and 2 hours with them, and then go to sleep and do it all over again. It all starts with this. Whether you work part time, whether you work full time, whether you're a single parent, divorced, whether you're a college person, it doesn't matter what background you have. What matters is determination and commitment. So that is all I am asking from you. Stay determined, stay committed, and have patience. You can succeed. You just have to put in that work. It all comes down to putting in the work. So let's get to it. Let me show you a few more steps here. If you haven't already, like I said before, be sure to look out for future emails from me because I'm going to be giving you some walkthroughs to help you along this journey. Now, this is what the screen you're going to be seeing when you log into legendarymarketer.com. It's going to go over day one. This is honestly the best place to start to build the foundation. Like a home, you need a solid foundation, or else one side of the house is going to fall, then the other, and it's not going to succeed. It's not going to protect you for the long term. With these exact steps, this exact challenge, you're setting up your foundation so you can actually have success long term. I mean, trust me, I didn't believe it at first, but it's this is really one of the best places to begin. I I'm one of the most skeptical people out there, and I followed this exact game plan, this exact success blueprint to succeed, and I've been going strong for about a year now, and I just it's nothing. The sky's the limit. I just see nothing but growth from here. But this is a screen you're gonna be seeing. I tell people whenever you first start off, dedicate an hour a day to this, an hour a day minimum, every single day. Do not skip any days. 1 hour a day. If you can dedicate more, please do so. If you can dedicate 2 to 3 hours, that is amazing. I would do this when I would get home from working as a school teacher, spend a few hours with my kids. Once my wife and my kids were asleep, I would stay up a few extra hours just to dedicate to this. And it's really worth the sacrifice. So watch this video. Like it says, complete the training, complete this quiz as best as you can. Like I said, ignore my kids in the background. It's I love to hear it though. I love to hear them playing. But complete this quiz as best as you can. Be honest. I mean, we're just here to help. That's what it is. Schedule a one-on-one with a business plan advisor. They are sort of like mentors. They are really there to help you. That's what it's about. It's to help you to make sure that you have your foot in the right direction. So set that up with them. It is free. It is completely free. It comes along with this. All you have to do is set up an appointment. And if you have trouble, maybe you can't find a right appointment for you, contact support. Just contact support. They'll be able to help you find an open available date. So do that. If you don't have Zoom, you can download it here. Zoom is free. It is totally free. And last but not least, if you don't have Facebook, I suggest you create one. But if you do, join the Facebook group. Every morning, every weekday, there are live trainings with Legendary Marketer. It could be with Dave. It can be with Matt. He's a big top dog with Legendary Marketer as well. All it is the real people, real stories, real experiences, and real tips to help you succeed. So go do that, and once that's done, mark this lesson complete. Go on to the next one. But 1 hour, 1 hour to set this up. If you have more time, go ahead. So I will see you. Like I said, check your email. I'll be following up with you throughout this challenge so you can succeed. I'm going to be holding you accountable because I want to change for you, really. I lived paycheck to paycheck so long. I struggled for so long. I just don't want to see that happen to more people, good people. So be on the lookout for that. If you have any questions, just message me.